All right, what's up, ladies and gents? We're back. Sorry, it's been a whirlwind, to say the least, the last week or so. This is my first time ever no-tilling anything, as you can see, and I'm an idiot and didn't know how to. It's just a long story, but the problems are somewhat fixed now. Besides that, I got to do a repair right off the bat in this video, but then after all those problems, I had to spend Friday, Saturday, Sunday in Lincoln because my fiance Maddie, she graduated college, so shout out Maddie, you little nerd, you absolute little nerd. We're back at it. I put in probably, I don't know, 80 acres yesterday, and we are gonna try to get done today or tomorrow. There's talking about quite a bit of rain later in the week. That was a long ass intro. Let's get to fixing. Now, if you recall, a few videos ago, I just had to do this on a different row unit. But obviously, we got a little issue here. This little butterfly deal came apart. The back fell off or something. I don't really know what happened. Literally happened overnight. I ran it till 11 o'clock last night and everything was fine. And first pass this morning, it was already broke. So the fairies came along, I guess. I don't know. Now watch me fix this. This is what they look like. It's just a little deal. It goes right on to here, and then it connects to this, and that's what drives the whole shebang. And I just dropped the clip, so that's good. I have no fear. I have got it right here. Now in here, cannot see the whole. So I checked the seed depth over on this opposite side wing, and it was a little bit more shallow, so I think I'm gonna crank this tire up a little bit more. Hopefully it'll move. That's too much. There we go. Hopefully that'll help a little bit. Okay, let's rock and roll. Shitty part about being up in these, this is like the one little sand hill that I farm, but frickin' moles and shit dig holes just everywhere. And it makes it rough for the piss, especially because it's no-tilled now, but you know, sometimes you just have to deal with things like a man. Everything looks pretty good. I think it looks like it's going to work for a while anyways, until the next thing breaks like usual, so my hopes are not super high still. We'll check back in a... Why is my monitor beeping? Oh my gosh. Row 6. I swear to God, I was literally just saying how I wasn't hopeful. Oh, thank God. It is out of seed. We are good. Let's go load her up. And we're walking. Perfecto. Back to it. Actually, I need to take a quick pee first, so uno momento. Yeah, I just peed on camera. What the heck are you gonna do about it, dude? Okay, so a little bit ago when I was talking about the grassy areas, here's another area that flooded out. This isn't near as bad as the other one. The other one was a lot thicker than this, but but I'll show you here as we go through it kind of what it looks like. Obviously not ideal, but the seed is still getting in the ground and there's not a bunch of trash covering it. And I mean, really, honestly, out of the 150 whatever acres that is on this field, it was about 3 acres total that was like this, so it really wasn't worth bringing the disc up for. So hopefully it'll grow. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Piss off. Okay, pretty much on the last pass of this quarter, besides I got like 3 rows right there that I gotta plant. And I don't have too many complaints right now. Everything is finally working pretty decent. I just jinxed myself, god damn it. I forgot completely that I'm gonna have to hop in the stock chopper, run over to Elmer's and chop at least those corn acres. There's like 15 acres of corn and whatever, the rest was beans. So I don't know if I'm gonna run over the bean stubble with the chopper too, just to smooth out the seed bed or not yet, but we'll see how it goes. That is next on the agenda, so we'll catch you over at Elmer's. Wow, isn't it beautiful? All done with this quarter. 65 acres to go and we're done, boys. Yeah! Perfect. Still have not fixed the exhaust leak on the old 4640 either, so that's what that sound is. Oh wow, looky here. These older tractors still got some metal on them. I did just post up and talk to you the whole time. How's your day? Nice and good, thanks for asking. Okay, we'll catch you at Elmer's. We are officially up and rolling. Can't really see too much because of the damn dust cloud, but not being able, I can't go as fast as I usually would because something's messed up with the quick hitch and I can't get this side to fully lock, and it already happened once this year where my grandpa was running it and it completely flew off. So we're just gonna go a little bit slow and either fix it when I have my pickup and tools or just try to get through it for this year. I don't know yet. But for now, we are rolling. Okay, well, made it back to the field. Went about 40 feet or so with the planter and realized, oh, what the F, Richard? Notice something different here? When I folded it up, apparently the pin for the trash whipper broke and the whole thing fell out. So now we get to go on a trash whipper hunt, and it's almost dark, so that just figures. Not even surprised really. Oh, well, what do you know? What are you doing, little buddy? We are back to rolling, baby. Hopefully things look good back there. There's too much dust I can't really see. Well, boys, I think that's about gonna do it for me tonight. It's, I don't know, like 11 or so. Ran out of seed, pretty much out of fertilizer. Don't really feel like reloading. So if everything goes how I plan it to go tomorrow, I'll get the rest of the stock chopping done at some point, and then we'll only have like 50 acres of planting left to do, and then we're done. So let's hope that we can get that all done tomorrow. It really shouldn't be too much of a push if everything just works. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all of the bullshit. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.